Hello and welcome to this presentation concerning Master Degree Program in Modern Software and Computing Solutions here in Oulu University of Applied Sciences, Information Technology. I'm Jukka Jauhiainen and I'm Principal Lecturer in Information Technology and Study Coordinator of these ICT Master Programs. We have two of these. So I will show you both of these master programs we have. Now we are mainly concerned with the lower one, Modern Software and Computing Solutions. I will also show the other one because they share many courses and teachers. So you can also then apply for the data analytics if you don't get in Modern Software because they share many courses. The application period is in January and it starts in August for the data analytics, and now we are discussing for this Modern Software, which application period is in September and starts in January. So we have 60 ECTS program for engineers and 90 ECTS program for non-engineers, which take 1 year or 1.5 years. And we take 20 students for both of these. And this is how these studies are organized. We have advanced professional studies, 20 ECTS, then we have free choice studies, 10 ECTS, and thesis 30 ECTS for the engineers, and 45 ECTS advanced professional studies, 15 ECTS free choice studies, and 30 ECTS thesis for the non-engineers or computer scientists and business people. That about what to apply I will show you later. So in general, this goal of the program is that it's intended for ICTS professionals, which means that we require programming skills, mainly Python, and we will learn you new technologies like blockchains, supercomputers, data analysis, machine learning, microservices and containers. And this program is planned in close collaboration with regional companies and is practically oriented, so we have close connections with the companies mainly in Oulu region. And business is changing rapidly, and we think that these themes are very important nowadays. That's why we have chosen those. Some general info. The language is English. Teaching is in the evenings, always. Usually from Monday to Thursday, from 5 p.m. to 9 p.m. Finnish time. All the lectures are recorded and you can watch them later, so you are not required to be there live. So you can study at your own pace. But there are also the courses include some deadlines that must be followed. Form of teaching is distance teaching. We use Moodle and Zoom mainly. Also Teams and YouTube for saving those videos. This means that there is no need to travel to Finland. And this also means that you cannot get a residence permit to Finland using these studies as an excuse. Okay, here are the study plans for the programs, and these are in the public internet. You can take a look at them by yourself. I'm not going there now. But you can also see the contents of these courses. So please take a look. Some words about the master's thesis. This thesis focuses on pragmatic planning and implementation of development work for company. You can also choose your own topic. It doesn't have to be from company. And it's quite large, 30 ECTS, so the engineering degree, for engineering degree it contains half of the all degree, this thesis. And we are practically oriented, but still we want to include some scientific approach into these theses. So how to apply? First of all, the Master of Business Administration or MBA. You need basically a degree in some field of business information systems or computer science or equivalent, or plain business economics degree also is okay. Then I must point out that we have now the sufficient proficiency in English language. You must prove your English skills if you are coming from abroad. And you must have 2 years of field-specific work experience after the basic degree graduation. And for the Master of Engineering is 60 ECTS, that it contains less mathematics and such things, because we think that engineers should have some background in that field already. So you must have some engineering degree to apply for this program. And these are not interchangeable, and you cannot change it later. The English language and work experience is the same. So I must point out that you must select the right program. If you are an engineer and apply for the 90 ECTS program, your application will be rejected and vice versa. We are very strict about this, so be careful. And here are some tests that are approved for the English language proficiency. I'm not going into details. Those are the tests, and then if you have a university degree in EU, EEA country, Australia, Canada, Great Britain, Ireland, New Zealand, or the United States, then you are valid to apply. Or a degree completed in a Finnish university or a University of Applied Sciences, it's also okay, because then you have proven your English skills. And it's always applicants' responsibility to make testing arrangements for themselves and to make sure the test results are delivered in time. More details in the link. And here is the work experience requirement once more. And must be acquired latest 31st of December this year. Suomeksi in Finnish, because they can be a bit confusing in English version. So for MBA, tietojen käsittelyn korkeakoulututkinto, liiketalouden korkeakoulututkinto, tietojen käsittelyn opistoasteen tutkinto. And for engineers, Oamk tai opistoinsinööri. Sorry for this, but I know that there are Finnish applicants also who may see this. So I thought that it is important to clear these things out. So how to apply? You must fill out the application form in the opintopolku.fi service. And you see the application period there. It starts August 28th and ends September 11th. And we have an entrance examination course which you must make in order to be eligible, and registration for this course ends at September 11th. So student selection is based on this course, which is 5 ECTS large. It's an online course in Moodle. It contains all the learning material and then a test based on that material. And you have 6 weeks time to finish this course, starting from September 13th and ending with October 27th. So hopefully you have enough time to learn the materials even if you have no programming experience beforehand. There are 50 questions. Time limit is 1 hour. The questions are mainly choosing multiple choices and some simple programming tasks that you must fill in some line in the program code and such things. Okay, here it's said in more detail. So we use Moodle's Code Runner, which evaluates your programming written programs and evaluates if it's correct or not. The course is scored from 0 to 100 points and the minimum score is 20 points. And we take the applicants in the starting from the highest received points. So 20 highest points get in first. The exact score will not be published, only whether it is pass or fail, because we are using this same exam again. We don't want to release any hints about the right answers. More information for how to register for this course will be given in Oamk website and also explained in the application form. You will need an email address where we are sending the exact instructions how to register in the Moodle platform. Then some words, what happens if you don't get in? Then you have the choice of Open University. You can apply for a study path which has several separate application period. I don't know now presently exactly when it is, but it will be published in November. And then you can study like a degree student. And after you have received 15 ECTS credits, you can apply for a degree student. The annual fee is 300 euros. And as a path student, you can study all the courses, also the master thesis. You can do all the studies, but you can't get the degree certificate out before you are a degree student. And one thing more, you cannot study the individual courses of data modern software using the open path. You can only study the courses when you get into this study path program. So, okay, here it said you cannot study single courses outside the study path. And you must have at least 15 ECTS credit to enter the master program as a degree student. And if you apply, you don't have to do the entrance exam again. You have to do it when you apply to the path. But you still must meet the general criteria like suitable bachelor degree, work experience and English skills. Here you see more information for this program and those things I have been talking about. So please go check those things by yourself. And I wish you welcome to apply to our program. And see you hopefully in January.